Welcome back. Today we get the engine out of the '67 Mustang. So instead of removing the hood in the upright position, what I did was I went ahead and propped it up with a 2x4 just to keep it keep the weight of the hood, and used a large wrench here just to disengage the hinge springs and take the tension out of those. Then I just set this 2x4 resting on top of the fender aprons. Nothing too crazy there, and just to again drop down the hood onto that, take the weight of the hood, and then I just got under here with my 1/2-inch wrench and removed the bolts. I figured it was a lot easier if the weight of the hood was held by the hinges and this 2x4 instead of trying to manhandle it out of there. Since it's just me, I don't have anyone helping me lift it at this point. So let me get the rest of the hood out of the way. Just took off the upper radiator hose. This is fine, right? There's no problem with that, right? It's normal. Okay, as you can see, got the hood off, radiator out, engine stand is assembled and waiting patiently. Removed everything that was connecting or in the way, export brace, some of the front pulley system, various things inside the engine bay. And let's see if I can get you a decent look. Obviously, radiator out of the way. Everything is basically disconnected. I need to go get I've been debating how I'm going to lift this. I think I'm going to get a lifting plate, remove the carburetor, and go just straight up from the center. It seems like the cleanest way to do it. Since I don't have a transmission on there, I'm not worried about it teetering too much. And I'm probably going to remove the spark plug wires just so we can have some clearance. So one thing that's interesting though, it's just held in with the mounting brackets now, and let me just show you. Hopefully I can do that without shaking the camera while I'm doing that, but I'm no expert. I don't think that should be moving that much. And I'm not putting a ton of force on here. I'm just rocking it. I'm curious to see what shape the engine mounts are in. Right, there it is. It is out of the engine bay. It is safely on the engine stand. A little top heavy, so I won't rotate it. Yeah, I'm pretty thrilled. That went incredibly smoothly. And if we look down here, sorry for the shake. Okay, I knew it was a 1980 block. I'm getting a casting number of E0AE D3C. I looked it up, and at least the interwebs are telling me that might be a 1983-02 as opposed to the dreaded 255. More research is required. Eventually, if I pull these heads off, I should be able to tell just by the intake, the shape of the intake ports, so I'm told. Okay, got great access to everything here. Yeah, next steps are really just removing everything in the way of the firewall and the cowl, and I'll have to get the glass out of there as well. Yeah, it is a little telling now. You can see some interesting things. Case in point. Gee, I wonder why the power steering was leaking. This hose is completely perished. I'm amazed it was still functioning and still holding pressure. All right, that's all for me for today. Thank you so much for sticking around and sticking with me, and thanks for watching.